So, as discussed, we're going to install Ansible on Ubuntu. So let's get going with that. Adding repository, okay, go to sudo apt install Ansible. Yes. Okay, verify. Okay, so we've got a basic config file. We've got Python version 3 installed. That's great. Let's see how this works. So let's first go to /code. Okay, so that's necessary. Okay, so we want to create a virtual environment just to check Python 3 space -m virtual environment virtual env v. Nice. Great, that's there. Source env bin activate freeze nothing, which is basically what we're expecting to see right now. So just to make sure that we're going to be in the environment, this is still there. Okay. Ansible is installed. What we can do is we can create host files and basically start the whole environment. cd Ansible. We've got nothing here, so we can go and look at structures of what's good for what is good file structures. Okay, so the basic structure we're going to follow is well, I actually don't need to do it there. Underneath Ansible, we're going to have a few directories. So we're going to say we're going to have an inventory directory. We're going to have a playbook directory. Later on, we will have roles. That's pretty much it for now. Okay, so in inventory, we'll have a file called a basic. We're first going to start off with the traditional version of inventory files, and then we'll move on to YAML inventory files, which is closer to a JSON structure. Inventory under playbook, we're going to create new file, just call it maybe isp.yaml. Okay, roles, we're not going to do anything now, and we will delete this test file that we don't really use. Move to bin. History pipe to grep git. Okay, refresh. Oh. Okay, there we go. Git pull. Okay, that's better. Okay, readme, there's nothing here. Remove test file. Sync. Okay. That's also a problem. I'm working on the wrong window. So I need to be working on this window instead of that one. That's why it's not coming on directly. Okay, so technically if I go and copy and paste this now, let's say rename to BR1, PR1 is there. Okay, so that's looking a little better. Okay. Okay, what did we achieve? We basically installed Ansible. We got a basic structure working. We're going to start adding, we're going to look at our network diagram that we want to add. It's going to be a very iterative approach. And then we're going to start adding that to the inventory file.